Hello, my name is Arpit Todkar. I am from Hubli, Karnataka. I have completed my degree from Jain College of Engineering and Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. As I completed my degree, I was looking for a job, but I could not find a job. Then I heard of Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd by one of my friends. Then I joined the Evision IT Internship and Placement Drive, where in the training program, I got to know about network, security, service, Windows, and many more things. As the faculty of Evision are very friendly and highly knowledgeable. After the completing the training, I got to place in Lattice Network Private Limited. I want to thank the IT placement team of Evision where they helped me of getting the job and getting the confidence in me that I can get a job. Finally, I will recommend that if anyone, the freshers or want to get the job, can join the Evision Technoserve. Thank you.